Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to get top dollar? Hi, my name is Dolf Al Emara with the Unique Places team. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the Sell for Top Dollar test. We have sold several homes, so we know what we are discussing. Here we go. When you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscapes, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants or trees, new trim, door paint, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than perhaps hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3Ds? Declutter, depersonalized, and deep cleaned? And I mean a real deep cleaning. Baseboards, scuff marks, cleaning up the landscape, changing out old bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes and painted the front door and trim? Hey, brick red walls with mismatched paint do not qualify for selling for top dollar, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean or they are 10 years old and cleaned 15 times? Well, the truth comes out, it's going to take more things to be done to get you top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago, or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to 1.5 acre lot at the end of the street? Yes, all of those matters. Okay, this test is a big one, the smell test. Oh my God, I am sure you don't realize this, but do you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it is true. We love pets. They go with us everywhere. If you have pets and you were to list your home, you would have to breathe like crazy. You see, some dogs like to pee on throw rugs, and if you have chickens, they can poop like nobody's business. When we sell, we have to make changes, and we have to pass the smell test. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you are used to, but if someone came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? Everyone, including me, think that we have the best home on the block. How about this? Is your home partially or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and would look better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger, I'm just here to help. When you look at the windows, are you looking at your neighbors showering, or is there a pasture, hill, or waterfront? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's butt crack or hearing them yell who gets to pick what to watch on TV tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view. So, I challenge you to take the quiz and scale from 1 to 10 if you are ready to put your house on the market and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make few changes. P.S. Most of us, we have to make changes. If I were to sell my house, I would have a honey-do list for days.